Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Hobby School. I am Ashis Biswasa, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 8, and there is a good news for you. There is no SW today. My dear student, today's topic name Assignment-1 discussion. Okay. So my dear student, let us start our class. Here the question, which is Fabia got 3,200 taka as a stipend and her brother got some money as scholarship from school. They deposited their amount in the same bank at 5% rate of profit for 2 years. A number question, how many years will Fabia's amount be 1.5 as profit principal as the same rate of profit? B number question, if the difference between simple profit and compound profit is 10 taka, then what was the amount of scholarship of Shakib? C number, Shakib buys a watch by the amount of scholarship to make a profit of 15%. What will be the selling price? This is the question. You need to solve this question. My dear student, when you want to solve this question, you need to know the formula of simple interest. What is the formula of simple interest? Simple interest formula is IS equal to PNR. My dear student, from class 5, it is our known term. Here P means principal, N means time, R means rate of interest, and IS means simple interest or simple profit. My dear student, what is A? A means P plus I. That means profit principal. A means profit principal. How can we get profit principal? When we add principal with simple interest, then we get profit principal. My dear student, we use these two terms to solve question number A. Question number A. So here you notice how many years. That means year is unknown. N is unknown here. Okay. So Fabia's amount means principal. That is P equal to 3,200 taka. Okay. And Fabia's amount B, 1.5 as profit principal. That means profit principal means A, and 3,200 taka of half 1 by half taka. This will be profit principal. Okay, when we solve this, then we get A. After that, we subtract 3,200 from profit principal, and we get the simple interest, simple profit. Okay, so here you notice P equal to 3,200 taka, R equal to 5%. Percent means 1 by 100. So 5% can be written as 5 by 100. Here you notice A. A will be 1.5 as profit principal as the same rate of profit. That means A equal to 1 into 1 by 2 of the Fabia's amount. That means principal. So 3,200 of 1 into 1 by 2. Now we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3,200 multiply 3 by 2 equal to 4,800 taka. By solving, we get 4,800 taka. And now we find out I. I equal to, how can we subtract this principal from A? That means A minus P. Here A is 4,800 taka and P means 3,200 taka. When we subtract 3,200 taka from 4,800 taka, then I get 1,600 taka. And time N equal to what? We need to find out. We know that the formula of simple profit is I equal to PNR. We need the value of N only. For this reason, PNR change its position and it go to the left hand side and I go to the right hand side. PNR. Now we need the value of N only. So PR change its position. So I divided by PR. Now we put the value of I and PN. I equal to 1,600 and P equal to 3,200 taka multiply R equal to 5 by 100 টাকা. My dear student, now you do calculation and you get the answer. When you do calculation, then we got the answer. The calculation is done by yourself because this is assignment. But this topic is unknown to you. For these reasons, I help you to solve. But the calculation must be done by yourself. Okay, my dear student, here you notice P, but I don't give the full meaning of P. P means Fabius amount. So when you do your assignment, you must write Fabius amount, comma P equal to 3,200 taka. And R, what is R? R means rate of interest. You need to write rate of interest R equal to 5%, 5 by 100. And what is A? A means profit principal. You must write here profit principal A equal to dash taka. Then what is simple profit? I equal to A minus B. Okay, so you do the math in detail. So assignment is done by yourself. Assignment can show your creativity. So you apply your creativity in assignment section. Okay, so the good on will be the good assignment will carry the good marks, right? Okay, my dear student, question number B. Question number B is, if the difference between simple profit and compound profit is 10 taka, then what was the amount of scholarship of Shakib? My dear student, we have already learned IS equal to PNR. IS means simple profit. IS means simple profit. But compound profit is not known by you. So what is compound profit? Before know the compound profit, at first we need to know the compound principal. So what is compound principal? C equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n. This is compound principal. When we subtract principal from compound principal, then we get compound profit. That means C minus P. IC means compound profit. Okay, what is the value of C? C is P into 1 plus R to the power n minus P. We need this formula and also this formula to solve question number B. My dear student, when we solve question number 2, chapter number 2.1 and 2.2, then it is easier for you to solve. But this time we don't know the chapter. For this reason, maybe it will be difficult for you. But the question is solved by your sir, so you can just do calculation and apply your creativity to solve this math. Okay, my dear student, now please listen to me. This is question number B. Okay, B question, amount of Shakib, let amount of Shakib P, because we don't know what is the scholarship amount of Shakib. So let amount of Shakib is P, and compound interest, not compound interest, it will be compound principal. Let compound principal equal to, it will be compound principal equal to C. So here R equal to 5%. We know rate of interest equal to 5%. 5%, 5 by 100. When we divide both number, that means numerator and denominator, by 5, then we get 1 by 20. So R equal to 1 by 20. Now N means 2 years. Simple profit means IS equal to PNR. P, we don't know the value of P, so P into N means 2, multiply R means 1 by 20. Now we cut this 20 by 2, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 tens are 10, so P by 10. Compound profit, IC equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n minus P. So P into 1 plus 1 by 20 square minus P. Okay, so now we do calculation. P into 20 LCM, so 20 ones are 20 plus 1, so 21 by 20 square minus P. So now we do square of 21 and we get 441. This P is multiplied here. After, when we do square of 20, then we get 400 minus P. Now we take 400 as LCM. Now when we divide 400 by 400, we get 1. That one is multiplied with this one and it will be 441 P minus. This P has a denominator which is on. Now we divide this 400 by 1, we get 400. 400 is multiplied with P and we get 400 P. Okay, now we subtract 400 P from 441 P and we get 41 P by 400. Okay, this is compound profit. This is simple profit and this is compound profit, my dear student. According to the question, the difference between compound profit and simple profit is 10 taka. So IC minus IS. IC means 41p by 400 minus IS means p by 10 equal to 10. So now we do calculation 410. Both LCM is 400. Now we divide this 400 by 400 and we get on. That on is multiplied with 41p and we get 41p minus. We divide this 400 by 10, we get 40. 40 is multiplied with p, we get 40p. My dear student, now the next calculation is done by yourself. Okay, so from here you need to find out the value of p. So here you notice 41p minus 40p, that means we get p by 400. When you do calculation, then you get the value of p is 4000. Okay, 4000 taka, and this 4000 taka will be the scholarship amount of Shakib. I hope you have understood, my dear student. And next question, question number C. What is question number C? Shakib buys a house by the amount of scholarship. That means Shakib buy a house by the total amount of his scholarship. That means he got a scholarship 4000 taka. By 4000 taka he buy a house. Okay, so buy a house to make a profit of 15%. That means, my dear student, he want to make a profit of 15%. Okay, so in order to gain 15% profit, so what will be the selling price? That will be the question. Okay, so from B we get Shakib's amount 4000 taka, cost price of us equal to 4000 taka. Okay, in percentage, cost price equal to 10 taka. My dear student, we know when we consider percentage, then the cost price must be 100. So cost price of the was 100 taka at 15% profit. So when we get 15% profit, then selling price will be this 100 plus 15, so 115 taka. And now, my dear student, we apply here unitary method to find out the answer. When cost price 100 taka, then selling price will be 115 taka. When cost price 1 taka, then selling price will be 115 by 100 taka. When cost price 4000 taka, then selling price must be greater. For this reason, multiplication will be happen. That means 115 multiplied by 4000 divided by 100. Now we do calculation and we get the answer. This calculation will be done by yourself. After solving, you get the selling price, and after that you write answer. My dear student, each section you must write answer. If you don't write answer, then some marks is deducted from your answer script. So, my dear student, this is your assignment. I repeat, assignment show your creativity. Assignment show your creativity. So you must do the assignment in details. Okay, but if you totally copy, search writing, then some marks is deducted. But you must write by yourself. Okay, you do the introduction of is, P, R, N, okay, IC, IS, then compound profit, compound principal, okay. So you will get more marks. My dear student, I hope you have understood how to solve assignment math, and I hope you can do by yourself. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, and you must submit your assignment next Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. My dear student, I know you can write assignment by yourself, and you must write your cover page according to your information. Okay, my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.